Imagine if you could turn any idea in your mind into a perfect, realistic photo. No Photoshop skills, no complicated editing. Just type what you want and the image appears. That is exactly what Dreamina 4.0 does. And today I'll show you everything you need to create photorealistic characters, products, scenes, and even cinematic shots in just a few seconds. Dreamina is a full creative studio powered by ByteDance, the same company behind TikTok. It lets you generate images, videos, avatars, and even motion content, all in one place. And the best part? You don't need to spend a single dollar. To follow along, I've linked Dreamina in the description. Once you're signed in, you'll see a clean interface organized into 4 main sections: image, video, and avatar. What stands out is how well Dreamina integrates with CapCut, the free video editor millions of creators use for TikTok and YouTube. You can generate content in Dreamina and drop it directly into CapCut without switching apps, saving time and keeping your workflow smooth. Image generation. Let's start with image generation. This is where Dreamina directly competes with Midjourney. Click the Image tab, select your model. I'm using Image Model 3, their latest version. Set your aspect ratio and select high quality for the best results. Example prompt. With one click, Dreamina instantly generates 4 variations. The results look cinematic, professional, and highly detailed, the kind of quality you'd normally see in Midjourney's paid tiers. Image editing tools. Dreamina goes beyond simple generation. On the right side, you'll find powerful tools. In Paint, add new elements to your image. Expand, widen your image or change aspect ratio. Retouch, adjust details or fix imperfections. Remove background, one-click background removal. For example, with our cyberpunk warrior, I can use InPaint to add glowing details to the helmet. Then, Expand turns it into a wider cinematic shot, revealing more of the city. Everything happens instantly within the same interface. No need for separate software like Photoshop. Product photography. You can create high-quality product mockups without a studio setup. Example: upload a simple photo of an energy drink can and use this prompt. Energy drink can on a sleek black surface with ice cubes, dramatic neon lighting, neutral background, professional product photography style. Dreamina keeps the product intact while transforming the scene. Realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections. You can also create multiple lifestyle scenes from one photo. Gaming setup, energy drink can next to RGB keyboard, glowing monitors, epic gamer station. Gym setup, can in a modern fitness center with intense lighting. This is incredibly useful for marketing visuals, giving you multiple high-quality images from a single product photo. Character and pose consistency. Dreamina can maintain consistent poses and characters. Upload a reference image, and it can generate new characters in the same pose, different ages, or different styles. Example: upload a yoga pose, and Dreamina creates multiple variations while keeping the same pose. Perfect for fitness content or storyboarding. Poster creation. Unlike Canva, Dreamina doesn't rely on templates. Just describe what you want, and it generates professional layouts automatically. Examples: fitness poster, modern fitness poster with bold text, athlete silhouette, colorful background, motivational writing. Restaurant menu, elegant restaurant menu with nice fonts, food photo spaces, cream and gold colors, fine dining style. Music festival flyer, bold text, stage silhouette, bright colors, rock concert feel. All posters are clean, readable, and professional, with the ability to quickly adjust colors or layouts by updating your prompt. Compare pricing: Midjourney Pro, $60 per month. Canva Pro, $15 per month. Runway, $35 per month. Synthesia, $30 per month. Altogether, that's over $150 a month. Dreamina offers all these features completely free, replacing your entire creative toolkit while saving hundreds. Check the link in the description for more info. Start creating images, posters, and videos for free, faster than ever. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.